Hello, Felix here. So today we are building a DIY heads-up display unit, and we already have the UI here built with LVGL Pro. So the parameters we are interested in is the speed, the temperature of the engine, fuel capacity, and the engine RPM. So we'll get this data through this adapter. It's a Bluetooth adapter, and we plug it on the OBD2 port of the car. And the display we're going to use is this board from Viewe. It's a very nice round AMOLED display, 466 by 466 pixels. This is from Viewe. The company is called Viewe. They are the display experts. That's the website there. So how this will work is we'll have this adapter plugged into the vehicle, and we'll use the ESP32 BLE to connect to it and retrieve information from it. So yeah, let's try that. So the engine is on. We have the adapter plugged in under the driver's seat. So we connect our display to power. Just a minute. It should connect to the adapter and get the data from it. So there we have it. You can try revving it up.